Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Squarespace SEO for faster indexing and visibility. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to your website dashboard. Click on the settings icon found in the left-hand menu. From the settings menu, select SEO. In the SEO settings, you'll find options to optimize your site for search engines. Start by filling in the site title and site description. Make sure the site title is descriptive and includes relevant keywords. Craft a compelling site description that summarizes your website content. Next, enable indexing for your pages. This allows search engines to find and index your content more easily. Go to Pages in your dashboard. Select the page you want to optimize for SEO. Click on the settings for that page. Look for the SEO tab within the page settings. Here, fill out the page title and meta description. Use keywords relevant to the page content. Make sure both the title and description are unique for each page. Now, scroll down to the URL slug section. Choose a URL that is short and descriptive, including relevant keywords. Next, add alt text to any images on your page. Descriptive alt text helps search engines understand your images. Now, head back to the main settings menu. Select Advanced and then go to External Services. Connect your site with Google Search Console. This tool offers insights into how your site is indexed. To do this, you'll need to verify your domain. Follow the prompts to add the necessary verification code. Once verified, you'll gain access to valuable SEO tools and reports. Return to the SEO settings. Ensure that the social sharing options are enabled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.